Hello everyone, this is Builder Shed here, and today we are going to be taking a look at Void Linux. Does this have neofetch? Nope. Oh yeah, we're going to be taking a look at Void Linux. I'm going to see if I can do a sudo xbps -install neofetch right now on the repository pool -su. It's gonna repository data and stuff, and well, that's not the part we're gonna be doing. I think we're gonna be doing the Void Linux install, but yeah. So, for one, to start off the installer, and when you're going to get the ISO for this, I recommend getting the XFCE glibc variant. Okay, just get that. So let's do sudo void install. Sudo void -installer. Yep. It's gonna welcome. Now it says welcome, enter the void, and let's just full screen this sucker. The installation should be pretty straightforward. Yeah, of course. It's simple, minimal Linux distribution made from scratch and built from the source package tree available for xbps, a new alternative binary package system. Blah blah blah. Pretty straightforward. Blah. Blah. Yep. Stuff. So it's gonna give you this little menu. You want to start off at the very top, and we're just going to go down to US for me because I live in the land of the free. I'm going to put that. Network. Just going to speed run that. Network is working properly. And keep in mind, it's going to bump us down one. Let's press enter again. You want to select local for this, otherwise you're going to have to install your own desktop environment. But yeah. Let's set our host name, aka the name of this. Let's just do void VM for our host. Locale, aka it's just your language. Let's do page down a couple times. You want ENUS. Or United States of America right there. It's going to tell you what the locale, the language locale is. Let's set our time zone here. Let's go for America. Let's do let's go down here to Chicago. Let's set a root password, which is going to be the password for the root user. Type in the password. It's going to want us typing in again. Primary login name. I'm just going to choose Builder Shed. Username. Let's do the same with capital. Password. Type the password again. These should be fine for user groups. Bootloader. Yes, that should be just fine. Use a graphical terminal. Jeez. So yeah, let's do CF disk. Yep, and I already had this set up because, yep. But I'm gonna show y'all real quick how to do these, do the partitioning and CF disk. What I want you to do, since I'm on EFI right here, aka GPT. Let's do. I know they're not the same thing, but they're pretty intertwined. So yeah, 500M for this is gonna be the EFI partition. Let's do that. Then we want to go to type. Use your arrow keys to navigate. Press enter and type. And when you go up here to EFI system, like that, then you want to just do new here. Blah, blah, blah. You got it like that. You can create swap if you have barely any RAM on here, which I'm going to bet most of y'all have enough RAM, definitely, unless you're running this on an old notebook or something. But yeah, but if you want to create something like swap, you do like 4G, and then you do. And then you do Linux swap, and then you go through that. But swap is not mandatory. This thing, I do not even have swap set up on here, I think. So, yep, let's just do. I think we're good right here. Type in yes, press Q, and now it's going to shift us straight to file system. So, right here, let's just set this to FAT32, VDA1, which is going to be SDA for y'all. The mount point is going to be /boot/EF5 because this is our EF5 partition. I want to create a new file system here. Okay, do I want to wipe the disk? Yes. Well, that partition, not the whole disk. SDA2. Do I want to nuke it? Yes. ext4? Yes. Specify mount point. It's your root file system. You just want to put a slash there. Do I want to wipe it? Yes. I think we're done here, so yep, then we can go with install, and yes. And now it's installing, and this installer should not take long at all. So, ease of installation wise, this is not hard, but I think this could confuse people in a way. For one, you're gonna have to. It's not Linux Mint where, like, it's not even geeks. It would just send you straight to the installer. Ubuntu would send you straight to the installer. I know this is not Ubuntu, obviously, but yeah. Linux Mint, I don't think it pops up the installer by default, but you pop up Linux when you open up Linux Mint into installer. It has literally an icon to the corner, I think. You click on it, that pops open the installer. This one, you'd expect you to find an installer icon somewhere. Nope. You gotta pop open the terminal, type the command. And yeah, I understand. It's understandable when this is a TUI type thing, like a terminal GUI instead of just a full-on GTK GUI. But knowing that this right here uses, I believe, dialogue, it could certainly try using X dialogue, and this could certainly be turned to a graphical application easily. I wouldn't be surprised. But yeah. I've worked with dialogue a bit before, so yeah. Overall, I'd say to install this, it's harder to find the installer, but if you actually look at the instruction that literally gives the little instruction page, aka just a little instruction box that gives you off the page, off the download page, it does tell you just to type in that, to type in void-installer. So let's just do that. Type in 3.5 for this one, and yes, that's why I give the rating 4. And guess what's already done? Yep, it's already done. Let's reboot the sucker, and we're gonna be in. And yes, this is going to automatically go through that. I'm just readying something up over here. In fact, what I'm trying to get going over here is a little page for myself to look at, but yeah. By the way, this is what I was talking about earlier. I'd recommend doing the XFCE glibc live image down here to install, but yep, that's the one I chose. But yeah, like I said, it already tells you down here. You obviously don't need to do this since I already did it for you, but yeah. Now it wants us to log in. Let's just click on our user, type in password, and I think we're good. So now we're logged in. First thing I want to do is go into system and deal with this display. Which I can obviously go here and just do this. Keep this configuration perfectly. I do not know what's corrupted about my little thing, but yeah. Now let me pull up my run it thing from run it. Just get that dealt with. But yeah. Void Linux. As I'm going to be giving you a little tour of Run It too later in this. But yeah. So off the bat, even with XFCE, this is quite minimal. You got the basic things you need on here. Just do things like you got your basic settings, basic stuff. You got Thunar on here. For internet, you got Firefox, which I think it's kind of cool how XFCE just has it like done like this down here. Like you click the web browser, pops open your default web browser. Click the file manager, pops up your default file manager, which is Thunar. You pop open terminal, pops open your default terminal, etc. And some other stuff. But yeah, I'm going to go to properties here. Remove web browser as a launcher and add a separate app. Just have that be Firefox. Yeah, just have them be like that. You can say like that, but yeah. Got some other things on here. We got some, and yeah. Very Mac-like in layout. I will give it that. Yeah. But again, this is just straight up default XFCE right here, obviously. Well, again, it's not rocket science to make this look completely like Windows anyways. So yeah. So yeah, I think, so the first thing you would need to do is you want to get your package manager set up, okay? Sudo xbps install. And you want to do -su. Get our password put in. And now it needs us to update xbps. Gotta run this as root. It's not even gonna take long at all, and it's already just done that, so let me hurry up and now get that all updated. 500 megs of download should not take long at all, or I suppose. Let's get our terminal open, and this time I'm gonna hurry up and deal with. And this does not come with Nano. This does not come with Vim. Your default text editor is on. Is Ed even a thing on here? No, your text editor is VI in the terminal. So yeah, VI sudo VI sudo. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put a hashtag right there. Just right quit that. I think we're all good. You know, everyone runs sudo, but nah. Let's get out of there. I'm pretty sure some of you are probably running this through. Probably whipping out mouse pad. But yeah, it's gonna take a little bit though. It's like 33%, but I'll be right back when this update's all done right here. But yeah, basically, of course, it's updating, but at the same time, it also updated our repository. So now things like neofetch should pop up if we do the command xbps query rs and then neofetch, like it. Now that shows up, so we can install that once everything's done. So let's just do exit. I think we're good. So yeah, I'll be right back. So the system's now updated. So now to show you all an example of installation of a package, let's just do neofetch on here. Now if we do neofetch, we got neofetch on here, so yeah. So everything should be up to date on this machine. Well, on this virtual machine, of course. So yeah. Now we gotta deal with something called run it. And I'm okay with run it, to be honest. I'm not the biggest fan of run it, but I'm not run it's hater, okay? I'd prefer OpenRC to this. That's definitely for sure. I will put that out there. But yeah. So, what if I wanted to install, for example, what if I wanted to use SDDM? Let's go to, for example, go to TTY, let's type my username. And let's do sudo xbps install SDDM. Yes, should not even take long at all. And yeah. And yeah, like, it shouldn't even take long, even with funny number down there, but yeah. 87, 89, 92, 95, 97, then 100%. Now it's on here. Now what you'd want to do is and let's just go ahead and disable slash our current display manager, which disable a service. They're going to sudo space system ctl space disable, be sudo space rm space, and then slash var slash service, and then your service right here, which I believe is lxdm. Yeah, lxdm. So you just want to nuke it. And yeah, it's going to send me back to this. If we go over here, it's just not going to show it properly and stuff, because when you kill when you disable something on here, it also kills the service at the same time. When you enable a service on here, it enables a service at the same time. So let's do, to enable a service, so let's do sudo ln-s to create a link between etc sv and then sddm, and then var slash service. Now, let's be honest here, it's bad up. Yeah, I knew it. It's gonna pop this up, but yeah, let's just hurry up, put in password. I know XFCE is a little pain in the rear sometimes, but yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's taking so long right here, but yeah. Just gonna reboot it. I think XFCE is a little screwed up because I just literally just nuked it. But yeah. That's starting it up. Pretty dang fast right there. That should load up XFCE. Hopefully. I'm gonna get a separate desktop environment out here, okay? xbps install plasma. Let's get plasma on here. Yeah, so KD5. Just do Y. Now it's getting it on there. We go over here. Still trying to load up XFCE despite me just, yeah, but. I'll be right back when this sucker's done. As this is a desktop environment. Yeah, it's done now, so I'm gonna hurry up and reboot this sucker. And when it goes out, press enter. Thing is, this actually boots very fast. Yeah, like already it was very fast. So I'm just gonna choose X11. Type my password. And it should not even take long at all. It's literally just. And if we see right here, hopefully it should have us logged in a sec. If not, should get Wayland to log us in. Wait, now we're in. We're in now. See, I was kind of right. I was doing some things. So yeah, we already got like some basic stuff down. We got Thunar and KD kind of cursed, but yeah. So like that, we just switch stuff around like that. For this, I'm guessing we don't want to switch things around. Let's go to display and monitor. Get the resolution fixed. Set it to 1080p. And I think we're good. Yep, keep. We're in a good spot. Of course, we can even change the global theme around a little bit too if we wanted. In fact, why not? Nothing's stopping us from going old school here. No items are plasma style. What? Well, that's weird. Yeah, let's set it back to breeze. Which it now is back at, so, yep. Got our little run launcher. Let's. We do not have console. Pretty sure we have XFCE terminal, so let's just pin that. Panel is a widget. No, we just screwed up the panel. Yeah. Pin task manager, yeah. Then we launch this. We got our little thing up. Now I want to hurry up and get some on here. Hey, that should hopefully get things sorted out. And this should definitely require us to look up something, which is flat pack. And the reason why I want to get flat pack set up on here again is like the reason. Same with Geeks, so get more software on here. Like, I'm pretty sure xbps should have like Steam and stuff in its repository. So just do rs Steam. No, it does not have Steam in there. Here, Discord. Command line Discord client. I gotta try that. Golly. Ooh. Wow, though. Oh, yeah. Flatpak will come in use. So let's hurry up. And gives us a little option out here to set it up. Sudo xbps install flatpak. Just type in Y. Now let's just copy this whole command down. Once flatpak's done installing, we're just going to paste this sucker in and voila. Alrighty. It's already in there, so let's do flatpak. So now we got flatpak on here, but yeah. I got some things. What should definitely make things easier is discover and Let's try to get some KDE apps on here too. Console and Dolphin. Of course, not even popping up as an option, so let's do xbps query rs dolphin discover, see if you exist. Nope. That sucks. But yeah. So now if we go on FlatHub, we can get some applications if we want. I just heard we get, for example, Discord on here if we wanted. Which is com.discordapp.discord, for example. We're just going to do Flatpak install and then this. So that's how we're going to do it. Click this, go and install file, but it's just, yeah, like, let's do Flatpak install. Now it's going to install necessities, so good. Now we got console on here, so let me just pin this sucker at. Can you not? What? No! Get out of here! Thank you! Screw you! Console, pin you to task manager, and then I'm gonna get Dolphin. I'm gonna pin this sucker. Well, I guess it already just took took Dunar's place. But yeah. I think another problem here. Hold on. Set you back to Breeze. Should be better now, and colors. Good. It's all back to normal. Dolphin actually looks normal again, so good. Yeah, we literally got KDE on here now, so good. So we kind of got the necessities on here now, and to be honest, I think it's getting close to reviewing time, so well to score it. So yeah, stability wise, I'd say this thing's pretty dang stable. I haven't seen any problems with it so far, so I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. Repository size, some big repositories, I'll give it that. Though again, it doesn't have everything, and there's also quite a bit of applications that, again, you'd find in other repositories, most other Linux distribution repositories. You wouldn't even, but you still won't find this. So I'm going to deduct by 3. So it's down at 3. Speed, maximum, ease of use. I'd say this is pretty easy to use by default. You're just going to have to take some adjustment. Void does not seem to be hard from the looks here. Though there are going to be some things that probably need a little adjustment, of course. Yeah. I'd say ease of use is a 4. Extra, I wouldn't say there's anything negative here. So I'm just going to, and is it okay for daily use? Completely. Yeah, I don't, it's not, I haven't broke this completely so far. So yeah, let's bring up my calculator on here. While it's still downloading Discord. Hurry up and start calculating. 4 plus 3 plus 3.5 plus, no, 4 plus 3 plus 3.5 plus 5 plus 4 equals 19.5. Divide that by 2.5. 7.8. Void, you get a 7.8. Yep. And to be honest, Void, I'd actually feel comfortable using Void, to be honest, at some point. Though on a main machine, probably not, because of, well, yeah, the package limitations and stuff. Thankfully, Flatpak exists, but, yeah, oh crap. I knew this was going to happen, but yeah. This is the rating and stuff that we got. Yeah. And Discord's finally installed. Let's see how long it takes to launch the cord up. A little bit. Flatpak. On com.discord app.discord. Now we're launching it. It looks like we kind of need to shove these in there again. Of course. Bash RC. We're just going to have to pop and bash RC again. But yeah, we closed Discord right there. Well, yeah. I think right now, I'm probably going to end the video off here. Though, overall, I'd say Void is actually pretty decent Linux distribution, in my eyes. Pretty good minimal distribution. And I'll be honest, I think if you are going to make an independent Linux distribution, I think Flatpak is kind of a necessity, to be honest. Like, allowing users to easily set that up. In fact, I think someone needs to try setting up a distribution based on a Flatpak, I think. Like, that's actually kind of cool. I see how far you can actually go with Flatpak. But yeah, it's been Builder Shed here. Hope to see y'all next time. See ya.